pretty much the home screen of the application. At the top here, pretty much where you enter your prompt. And as well, you can see here, pretty much a default prompt. If you want to remove it, you can tap on the X option here, remove the prompt. As well, you'll be able to select your aspect ratio. Most of these, you're gonna need a pro subscription. As you can see, it will just automatically give you something. So down here as well, you have some templates which you can use to create your videos as well. You have a lot of these which you can use. May say that you like one of these. Let's say, for example, this one here, you may want to copy it. You can just tap on the video here and you'll be able to recreate the same video. It will pretty much give you the prompt, everything that they have used to create this video here. Then you'll be able to create something similar. As well, you can create something different from this. So that's pretty much it for that section. Here you have the image to video option where you just upload an image, and in the prompt section you tell what you want, what needs to be done in that image. Let's say you upload a dog and you want the dog to run, you can just enter that for the prompt. And as well, you can enable the AI sound if you want the video to make sound. So as well, you can see here the template will be seen in the section down here as well. So the AI art section, you'll be able to create your own AI photos. As you can see, top you can tap on the surprise me option if you don't have anything in mind. Same thing for the text to video option, but for this you can just tap on the surprise me option. It will just give you random prompts, and once you have finished, pretty much tap on generate. Down here you have a lot of different templates which you can use as well, which you can see. All you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use and pretty much just upload a clear image of yourself or anything at all, and you will pretty much get these results. It's that simple. As well, this application may need subscription to use, so do keep that in mind as well. The collection section is pretty much where you will see all your generated images and videos. So yeah. So for this now, for the subscription, as it relates to the subscription for this application, just tap on the pro option at the top here. You'll be able to see their subscription prices and pretty much everything that we get in with their subscription. Unlimited AI video creation, unlimited AI image creation, and unlimited downloads. So yeah, and no ads as well. So very good application. As you can see down here, they do get the first week for $2, and then you start paying $5 a week. So that's pretty much it for this application. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. We'll see if we can help you out.